Hello everyone, my name is Miracle Wood and I am a student at 7K's Code Foundation. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a private server on Roblox. So first thing you want to do is hop onto Roblox and take any game you want. I'm using Blade Ball as the game that I want to create my private server. You can choose any game you want. Then you scroll down and you see the buttons over here. Find server and click it. After you click it, it will load up, so you have to wait for it. Then after you're done, you want to press this button over here. And then it asks you what the server name is. And you name it anything you want. Then after you're done naming it, you press the button over here, buy now. After you're done, you can choose to customize it or you can choose not now. So you customize it if you want other people to join. This is the setting of the game. And your server name is over here, and then the game name is Blade Ball. And then the price of the server is here. This allows people to join and this allows them to allow. You can click this button over here to make your friend join or to allow your friends to enter the game. And then you want to press this link back to the Roblox page. Then after you're done, you just go down again and press servers. Wait for it to load up and then you have your server over here. Click join and you can invite your friends and other people to play with you in this server. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoy it.